the Worms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the TCL TAB 8 LE for T-Mobile. So this is a new tablet for T-Mobile. It's been available since January 12th. So it's available now in 13 gigabytes of storage. It's available in a shadow gray color. So if you guys are looking to get a budget tablet, the TCL TAB 8 LE is the one for you guys to check out here. This is a budget tablet, so do keep that in mind. And also though, y'all guys will need a data plan with this tablet, plus y'all guys will need a phone line with this tablet for this tablet to work. Alright, so you guys need a tablet plan and a phone line. Alright, so yeah, it's available now for $7 a month for 24 months with 0% with $0 down. So yeah, very nice looking tablet there. I do like the clock there on the screen. I do like the clock there. Pretty colorful wallpaper there on the lock screen there. You got your shortcuts there, your front facing camera right there, power and volume keys on the right side of the tablet there. The left side, I don't know if it has anything on the left side or not. If it does, it has your micro SD and SIM card slot, and you will need to take advantage of the micro SD card slot. You will need to take advantage of that. And then on the back of the TCL TAB 8 LE is your single rear camera. There is no camera flash, and you have your TCL logo, and it's available in this grayish blackish color there. It has like it's like a two-tone, like not really two-tone, but has like a strip on the left side where the camera is. It strips all the way down. You'll have the TCL logo right there. So yeah, budget tablet. I mean, it is what it is. Then the right side, like I said, power button, volume keys there. So yeah, it's $7 a month for 24 months with the $0 down, or it's $168 full retail price. Like I said, this is a budget tablet, so the prices and specs will reflect that. Features: it has ultra compact design, it has an 8-inch HD display, comfort mode, which is very nice, amplified dual speakers, up to 2 GHz quad-core processor and 3 GB of RAM, up to 32 GB of internal memory, expandable up to 512 GB via micro SD, which you'll need to take advantage of that. 4080 mAh battery, Android 12, and 4G connectivity. Like I said, you guys will need a tablet plan, and y'all guys will also need to add a phone line to it for it to work. Alright. It says here the TCL TAB 8 LE pairs performance and style in an ultra compact, lightweight design powered by a MediaTek quad-core processor, large battery, and featuring dual speakers, giving you crisp, clear sound. On the spacious 8-inch HD display with eye comfort mode, you can stream, play, and work for hours without worry about visual fatigue. Capture beautiful photos and HD video with the 5-megapixel rear camera, and use the 5-megapixel front camera to take great selfies or video calls with friends and family. With a 4080 mAh capacity, the battery can keep TCL TAB 8 LE can go with you anywhere thanks to its compact size and 4G LTE connectivity. So that's really cool there. So you guys don't have to rely on Wi-Fi for this thing to work. You guys can use your 4G connection to use this tablet anywhere that you have T-Mobile 4G connection. Alright, so that's really cool. Specs: has a 4080 mAh battery. It has a headphone jack and your Type-C charging, which is pretty much standard now. The headphone jack is not standard now. It's pretty much going away, but this tablet does have a headphone jack, so you can use wired headphones if you guys want. It has Wi-Fi 802.11 ABG and an AC, so if you guys ever need to use Wi-Fi for whatever reason, you guys can use Wi-Fi with this tablet here. It has Bluetooth I don't know what version it is, probably 5.0, I guess. A MediaTek MT8766 processor, Android 12, 3 GB of RAM, 512 GB of RAM micro SD, 4G LTE, of course. Has mobile hotspot capable, of course. I think. I could be wrong about this. It's true, so it says it's mobile hotspot capable. So you might be able to use it as a hotspot and like other devices connected to it. I'm not really sure about that. It's worth trying out that if that is indeed possible to do it on this tablet here. Your frequencies, the TCL TAB 8LE weighs 10.93 ounces. The depth is 0.35 inches. The height 7.76 inches. Width 4.91 inches. Alright. So what comes in your box is your TCL TAB 8LE tablet, of course, your charger, your charging brick, so you do get that in the box, which is very nice to have. Type-C cable, quick start guide, product safety information, and your SIM card tool. So your standard stuff in the box there, so don't expect much in the box. It's this is a tablet, so keep it in mind, alright? So yeah, so there you guys have it. The TCL TAB 8LE is now here at T-Mobile. It's available now for $7 a month for 24 months, or $168 full retail price. So if you guys are looking to get a tablet to where y'all guys can use anywhere, y'all guys can check out this tablet here. It does have 4G connection, so you can use it anywhere that you have T-Mobile 4G. So that's really cool. Like I said, you guys will need a tablet plan, and you guys will also need to pair this tablet with their phone line for it to work. Y'all guys can't just get a tablet line, so you guys need to have a tablet plan plus a phone line, so keep it in mind. So it's worth checking out here. A very nice looking tablet. Like I said, this is a budget tablet, so you do get what you pay for here. Specs do reflect that. It's not a bad looking tablet. It's not that bad. I mean, it's decent looking. So I mean, you got some really cool features on here, like the comfort mode, which is very nice because you'll get less eye strain with that. So that's really cool there from TCL. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It lets me out a lot. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.